What kind of wisdom did you have when you were young? Okay, practice with me. What, palms up, fingers out, side to side a little bit. What? Kind. It's a K hand. Put it on its side and brush it across your support hand. So, kind. Of, O to F, of, wisdom, wise, it's a W hand, and you're going to have your palm facing in, and then you're going to kind of brush that first finger out like so. Wise, wisdom, like this. Wisdom. Did, do, past tense. Did, you, have. Put your fingertips on your shoulder blade right here. Have. When. So you have one hands, and they're going to face, put them up, and then bring them over towards the opposite side a little bit. Then your lead hand is going to be palm out, and you're going to make a circle around it, kind of like if this was the center of a clock. This would go around the clock like so. When, and you end touching that finger. When. You were, are, past tense, were. Young. You take the tips of your fingers and you're going to brush them on your shoulder blades up. Young, twice. Young. Okay, say it with me now. What kind of wisdom did you have when you were young? Or, what kind of wisdom did you have when you were young?